I've been in the company 1 year. In fact, that's my 1 year anniversary today. And I know already that I've grown so much from the people around me. Not just my leaders, not just my peers, but actually the people in my team. They're always coming up with unique ideas. They're so innovative and they teach me so much so often. Not just from a leadership perspective, but from a technical perspective, I've really gained an awful lot of knowledge working in MongoDB. It's been fantastic. I think now is a really good time to be in MongoDB because the growth opportunities are massive. The share price is just one element of it. I mean, to get stock is an investment in itself, and it's up to us, the individuals who invest our time and our experience into making this company successful. And I really truly believe that if we do that, it doesn't matter whether you're here pre or after IPO, we're all going to do very well. What's really unique about our technical services team is that you just don't know what kind of problems you're going to have to solve. Our users, our end users, our customers use our database for all vast reasons. There can be anything from gaming to finance to whatever you can come up with, they're being used for these. And so what's unique is you're going to come across so many different problems to solve, different scales. And as our customers scale, we must scale too. So that's the real challenge. There's so many reasons to be excited about the future for MongoDB. We're only touching the iceberg on the opportunity globally, and especially here in EMEA, it's really exciting. I think being in a diverse company that welcomes and wants diversity is really super exciting as well. And also, even though we're not completely through the pandemic, getting to meet people for the first time, getting to travel, getting to be together, and actually working as a group physically together as well as being remote is really exciting. It's a new era for us as we go into a hybrid model, and I'm super excited to see how we manage it.